Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the FastAPI. Today we are going to learn how to serve the static files in the FastAPI. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. To serve the static files in the FastAPI, you can use the static files class from the FastAPI.staticFiles module. This allows you to serve the CSS, JavaScript, images and other static files directly from your FastAPI application. How to organize the static files? First, organize your static files with CSS, JavaScript, images within your directory in your project. By convention, you can name this directory to be static, or you can choose another name. Configure the static files in the FastAPI using the static files class. So how we are going to do this? Let's dive into the code level directly. Okay. So here we go with this one. Just give me a second. So here we have the code. So main.py. So I have used this class app.mount, and here I'm just using the static files import from the static files, right? And here in the index.html, here I have include static css style.css static js script. If I try to save this and just go over here you can see that if I do the control U, here you can see that I can retrieve this background color and the css and the script like this on console.log. If I just go and just log this one, script loaded. Okay, so this is how you can serve the static files from in the FastAPI. Any doubt, any query in that? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.